Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So Coinbase Pro has long been a favorite among crypto traders, but recent changes have left many users scratching their heads. Is it still the go-to platform for serious trading, or has it lost its edge? Let's dive in and find out. If you've used Coinbase Pro in the past, or you're comparing it with other crypto trading platforms, it's important to understand how these changes affect the overall trading experience. Coinbase Pro is designed for more experienced cryptocurrency traders, offering advanced features like real-time order books, charting tools, and a variety of trading pairs. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it easier to execute trades quickly, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto. For active traders, having access to live market data, limit orders, and detailed charts can make a big difference when trying to enter or exit a position at the right time. However, it's important to note that Coinbase Pro has undergone some significant changes recently. The platform has integrated more features from its parent company, Coinbase, which some users feel has diluted its original focus on advanced trading. This shift can be frustrating for traders who preferred Coinbase Pro because it felt more focused, cleaner, and built specifically for serious trading rather than general crypto investing. One standout feature is the fee structure, which can be more favorable for high-volume traders compared to standard Coinbase. Yet, there's a noticeable lack of transparency regarding recent updates, which has raised eyebrows among longtime users. When traders are dealing with real money, clear communication matters a lot, especially around fees, platform changes, account access, and trading tools. The intended audience seems to be shifting slightly, as beginner traders may find the interface a bit overwhelming overall. While the core functionality remains solid, there are aspects that feel less intuitive than they used to be. For example, someone who only wants to buy and hold Bitcoin or Ethereum may not need real-time order books or advanced charting, while a more experienced trader may feel frustrated if certain professional tools are harder to access or have changed. On the plus side, Coinbase Pro still offers a powerful trading platform with a good selection of cryptocurrencies and competitive fees for larger trades. The real-time data and advanced charting tools can be incredibly useful for seasoned traders. These tools can help traders track price action, identify support and resistance levels, compare trading pairs, and make more informed decisions instead of simply buying based on market hype. However, there are some frustrations. Many users have expressed concerns about the increasing complexity of the platform, as it seems to be catering more towards casual users rather than hardcore traders. Additionally, the recent integration with Coinbase has led to some missing features that dedicated traders relied on. This can be a big deal if your trading strategy depends on specific order types, layouts, chart settings, or a workflow you were already comfortable using. Trust signals are also a bit shaky, especially with the unclear communication about changes and how they affect users. If you're a beginner or someone who prefers a more straightforward trading experience, you might find Coinbase Pro overwhelming. But for experienced traders, it still has value, though you may want to explore other options as well. The smart approach is to compare it with other exchanges based on fees, supported coins, ease of use, security, and how reliable the platform feels during high volatility. In summary, Coinbase Pro remains a solid choice for experienced traders who need advanced tools and trading options. However, the recent changes may leave some users feeling uncertain about its direction. If you're just starting out or prefer a simpler platform, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth considering, but proceed with caution. Make sure you understand the fees, test the platform with small amounts first, and choose the exchange that best matches your trading style and comfort level.